Hello, I'm Dr. Shuchi. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the different types of dental caps that we offer at our clinic. Dental caps or dental crowns, these are basically covers which cover your tooth from all the 5 surfaces, which is the front, back, right, left, as well as the biting surface. The most common reasons why we advise dental cap, one, we advise it after a root canal treatment, because after root canal treatment tooth becomes brittle and it is prone to fracture. To protect it from fracture, we advise patients to go for a cap. Second reason, we advise dental caps when your cavity is very deep and it is involving tooth wall. It is so big that it cannot be saved by a normal filling. Then at certain cases we advise patients to go for a cap instead of just a filling. Third reason when we advise dental cap is sometimes when patient is going for a procedure called as a dental bridge. They have a missing adjacent tooth and they want it to be covered or rehabilitated using support from the front and the back tooth. In that case also we go for multiple caps covering the missing area. So what are the 3 common types of dental caps that we offer in our clinic? We offer metal ceramic or a porcelain fused to metal. Third we offer is metal free cap. When I talk about metal caps, these are caps which are made of nickel chromium. This is a different type of a metal which is used to make dental caps. This looks like a steel glass which we have at home. Second category is metal ceramic or porcelain fused to metal. This cap has external advantage of being little more aesthetic because it is available in all the shades which can be matched with your tooth. It is also commonly called as a tooth colored cap. And third category is metal free cap. The best part about the metal free cap is that this does not have any metal inside it. It is absolutely free from metal, making it more adaptable and more comfortable for the body to accept. Now talking about the cost or pricing of these types of caps or different crowns, then this pricing majorly depends on 2 main factors. One, which lab or brand are you going for? If you go for local labs, they are more reasonable. If you go for branded, then they are little higher priced. Also, number 2, it depends on whether this cap or crown is being fixed to your tooth or if it's being fixed to your implant. If it is getting fixed to your implant, it will cost you little more because some additional parts are required to be fixed into it. To talk about an approximate price range, this metal crown will cost you somewhere between 2000 to at max of around 4000. And if we talk about metal ceramic, they start from around 3000 rupees and maximum price range would be 5000. If we talk about metal free caps, these caps are more expensive. The price range, it starts from basic from around 6000 and maximum it ranges up to 12000. It depends again about the labs and also which material is being used. In metal free also they are available in zirconia, in Emax, and the price varies accordingly. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me here in the comment section or may take teleconsultation from me. Thank you.